Dad, how is the snowstorm? How's the snowstorm?
I don't know if we're on the sidewalk, but
I don't think we are. It's a blizzard out here.
Oh, you baba.
What?
I should have Snapchat what? Oh. Hard.
We haven't had a discussion. I know this
She's trying to sleep, okay?
Mom, how crazy are we?
Need some McDonald's.
We're hungry, so we're going to McDonald's. Might be a blizzard, but you know, the cover. Okay. We got this? Do we got this?
We got this.
At Synchrony Financial, every
Oh yeah, McDonald's, here we come. They're taking forever.
I'm sorry.
We always have to be difficult. If you guys wanted to know, we are safe at home. And we have McDonald's!
Probably the last customers through McDonald's, but hey.
But they got our service. Ugh, it's terrible. How you doing, Mom? It's a good hike? It's a good hike to the house. A lot of snow. My feet are just a little cold. Oh my goodness. Hey Mom, you got a little snow on your pants.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Boring.
Right.
That one burner might be a little warm.
Oh. French fry? Oh no. Is that yummy? Is it yummy? Hey Mom, I have a question.
What's that?
Weren't you mad at me this morning?
Yes, I was perturbed
Why were you mad at me?
because you said you didn't have enough gas to go to work.
No, that's not what happened. Why were you mad at me?
Because you said you didn't have enough gas to go to work, and you made me get out of bed to take you to work.
But then you said that you were happy that I woke you up to make you take me to work.
Yes,
Why is that?
because by the time you got off, we had a blizzard.
Because I was right and it wasn't safe to drive.
However, never do I ever tell my children I will not drive them somewhere. Because if anything was to happen, I don't want that on my mind.
Lies. Mom, what did you just yell at Dad about? What happened?
Well, I told him, if you go outside and do stuff, you should take your phone because you have fake legs, and if you fall or anything,
You won't get up and you'll need us.
So I just went out to yell at him because his phone is there on the chair.
Yep, I could have showed you.
And I discovered he'd locked himself out at 12:10 at night. He's gone outside, locked the door.
Smart. Dad, what did you just do?
I stumbled the sidewalk.
Without your phone and you locked yourself outside. This is our cat Tinkerbell. And she comes in the kitchen every time we do because she wants milk, right? You want some milk? You want some milk? Milk? You want some milk? Yes, she does. I mean, if I'm being honest, I just want to know why I'm single. Don't know. Good night, Dad.
Good night.
Wow, angry. He hates me. Good night.